Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an innovative cleaning solution that promises to make your life a whole lot easier: the Coredy R550 Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner. We found this product online and have included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what the Coredy R550 is all about. This robot vacuum is designed to tackle the daily messes in your home with minimal effort on your part. It boasts a powerful 2,200 Pascal suction capability, making it a strong contender in the world of robotic vacuums. Whether you have hardwood floors, tiles, or low-pile carpets, the R550 is engineered to pick up everything from pet hair to food crumbs, leaving your floors spotless. One of the standout features of the Coredy R550 is its large-capacity dustbin. With a 500 milliliters capacity, this vacuum can hold more debris compared to many others on the market, meaning less frequent emptying and more uninterrupted cleaning time. It provides up to 130 minutes of continuous runtime, which is perfect for cleaning larger spaces or multiple rooms without needing a recharge. Now, let's talk about its slim design. At just 2.72 inches in height, the R550 can easily glide under most furniture. This makes it particularly useful for those hard-to-reach areas where dust and dirt often accumulate but are hard to clean manually. Whether it's under your couch or bed, this robot vacuum is flexible enough to get to those spots. Control is another area where the Coredy R550 shines. It comes with a user-friendly remote control that allows you to switch between different cleaning modes with ease. You can choose from spot cleaning, edge cleaning, auto cleaning, and single-room cleaning, giving you the flexibility to customize your cleaning experience. Plus, scheduling cleanings is as simple as a touch of a button, allowing you to set it and forget it. In terms of cleaning efficiency, the R550 features a 3-point cleaning system. This system includes bilateral side brushes and V-shaped main brushes that are strategically spaced to collect debris without scattering it around. The high suction power of 2,200 pascals ensures that even the most stubborn dirt is lifted off your floors. One of the most impressive aspects of this robot vacuum is its Auto Intellect Boost feature. This smart technology automatically detects when it's on carpet and increases the suction power, making it effective for deep cleaning. It transitions seamlessly from hard floors to carpets, ensuring that your entire home receives the same level of attention, no matter the surface. So, who is the Coredy R550 suitable for? If you're a busy professional, a pet owner, or simply someone who wants to maintain a clean home without dedicating hours to vacuuming, this robot vacuum could be a game changer for you. It's particularly beneficial for those who might have mobility issues or for families with kids and pets who create messes regularly. In practical terms, imagine coming home after a long day at work to find your floors clean and tidy. You could set the Coredy R550 to run while you're out, and by the time you return, it will have done the hard work for you. It's also great for keeping up with daily pet hair and dander, providing a cleaner environment for you and your family. In conclusion, the Coredy R550 Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, convenient, and user-friendly cleaning device that can simplify your cleaning routine. With its impressive suction power, smart features, and sleek design, it's a tool that can help keep your home looking its best with minimal effort. Thanks for watching.